Hi guys, so this is either the 11th or 12th. I think it's the 12th. I'm losing track now. So yeah, again, just get started. 1, 2, 3. Usually it's 1, 2, 3, but I don't know why. I must need a coffee, so yeah, just get on with it. So this is my learning method for getting drawings down a lot quicker and achieving the methods a lot quicker and the skills a lot quicker for drawing and the fundamentals of drawing, which is getting proportions right. So good speed. However, I the layout of this one just didn't start well at all. The only thing about this bit is the hump on the back. Sorry for the shadow. There's a lamp right over here and it's shining right over here, so I apologise for the lighting, and it's also quite late at night. So yeah, there's a hump here, but I did manage to get good proportion for the arms, the torso, the chest, and the elbows, as well as the buttock and thigh area. I wanted to keep it simple for the face so that I could then maybe try and get more time for the other drawings. I find the first one, it takes a little bit longer to get the details on the first one specifically, as I said, so just kept it simple, and you can get the idea where the facial features would go. So it was, as I said, good speed, hump on the back, wasn't able to finish it, hence why there's no hand. And I used the observational method for number 1. Number 2, I had a little bit more time for smaller details once I'd actually got the rest of the drawing down. I did run out of space here, but I knew that was going to happen because of the size of the actual body. So I didn't actually mind not being able to do the rest of it because I had good proportion. So yeah, I managed to get a little bit more detail where the features would be. Didn't get too in depth with the features because I feel as if less is more. But I was able to get the hump on the back, correct the hump on the back, I should say, from the first one. And everything's in proportion and laid out well, and good structure. And I also used, sorry, beg your pardon, I used the geometric and observational method for number 2. Number 3 did not work out. This happens every now and again, specifically, well, especially for me anyway. Something happens and you just lose the flow, the momentum, creativity just kind of dries up sometimes on me, and I just did not get it. And instead of carrying on and then creating what in your mind or my mind an absolute disaster, I didn't want to leave a negative feeling after I'd drawn. I hate having a negative feeling when I'm drawing, because drawing at the end of the day is supposed to be joyful and you get pleasure out of it, and I was getting to the point where I was getting frustrated, so I thought, stop there and learn from it. And as you can see, it's just not in proportion. The arm is far too long for the back, and the bottom, it's just not in proportion at all, and also obviously I've run out of space up here. So yeah, good learning experience, and I shall leave it with you. Let me know what you think in the comments and the discussion box below. As always, thanks for joining, and I shall see you next time.